Hey, what's up investors? Dean here. Over the last 12 months, investors in Babcock and Wilcox Enterprise have seen over a 500% return as the stock went from $1.16 a share back in March 2020 to where they are trading right now at $7.89 a share. In this video, we're going to discuss what exactly Babcock and Wilcox do, why the stock price has gone up so much, and is it too late to buy? As well as taking a look at some analyst price targets. So stick around right to the end of this video because this stock might make you some serious money. But of course, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on YouTube who does a lot of research and talks about stocks to hopefully help you find stocks to make money. And all I ask in return is for you to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It really helps me out. And this video has actually been coded in a way that it actually won't start until you hit the like button. So I'll give you a second to do that just now. Okay, now that you've done that for me, thank you so much. Let's start with the stock action. Currently trading at $7.89 a share. BW stock is up close to 5% for the week. Looking at it over the past month, we can see that it is up over 12%. And where you actually really see how much the stock has moved is when you look at the 6-month chart. This stock has really taken off over the last 6 months, and it seems like there is no stopping because every time we see any sort of sell-off, it just comes back stronger. What does this company even do? Why has the stock gone up so much? Well, to answer that, let's start with the investor presentation. Before you click off this video because you think I'm about to read a whole presentation of boring information and numbers, don't worry. I've done that so you don't have to. We're just going to go over the good stuff that I think is important. I'll leave the whole presentation in the link in the description so you can take a look at that after when you're doing your own research. And while you're down there, if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, I'll let you do that. Babcock and Wilcox are a global leader in energy and environmental technologies and services in 3 major sectors. They are an industrial manufacturer of steam boilers and nuclear power systems. They have a strong global brand. They have provided high quality, innovative, renewable, environmental and thermal technologies for critical power generation and industrial applications for more than 150 years. This is not a new company. They have been around for a very long time, as you can see. Executing and transformation. B&W is executing a robust growth strategy after recovering from losses related to several extended scope projects, returning to its core technology and delivering model, implementing 127 million in cost saving initiatives with another 11 million identified, and closing common stock and senior notes offerings to pay down debt and support clean energy growth initiatives. Position for growth. B&W's transformation is gaining momentum with new branding and global expansion underway to pursue more than 5 billion in identified project opportunities in high growth markets over the next 3 years. B&W is pursuing a further expansion of its clean energy portfolio through innovation and acquisition, building towards the future. After achieving approximately 45 million in adjusted EBITDA in 2020, B&W is targeting a 2021 adjusted EBITDA of 70 to 80 million and a 2022 adjusted EBITDA of 95 to 105 billion. Recent debt paydowns and reduced required pension contributions are expecting to save more than 40 million annually in interest and pension funding cash expenses on a pro forma basis. Now, the company operates in 3 core sectors, and that is B&W Renewable, B&W Environmental, and B&W Thermal. Each of these sectors will greatly benefit from Joe Biden's presidential campaign for a green American future. He is planning for 100% of energy to be renewable by 2035. The first, B&W Renewable. For our economy and future generations, we continually develop ecologically sound ways of recycling resources like biomass and waste to create clean, renewable baseload power while reducing greenhouse gas emissions. B&W Environmental as an industry leader in providing advanced air emissions control and energy recovery equipment and technologies. Our engineering solutions are designed to reduce the environmental impact of industrial processes. And lastly, B&W Thermal, from our initial patent for the water tube safety boiler to the world's first supercritical boiler to technologies using the latest advanced steam cycles, our robust thermal energy designs deliver availability and long-term operation. Here we can see a long list of things that they've already done in each of these sectors. I'm not going to go through all of them, but we'll just go through one of each. For BMW Renewable, we have more than 500 waste to energy and biomass to energy units at more than 300 facilities in more than 30 countries, serving a wide range of utility, waste management, manu capability and investment firm customers. BMW Environmental, large installed base of wet and dry scrubbers to meet environmental regulations and technologies to improve ESP performance at a wide range of utility and industrial installations. Lastly, BMW Thermal, more than 5,000 industrial water tube package boilers installed in a variety of facilities, including refining, petrochemical, food processing, metals and mining, composite and carbon fiber, carbon black and wood products. Global expansion, global footprint and ongoing expansion positions BMW to leverage market trends around the world. In their addressable market of 2021 to 2023, they say that Europe has an addressable market of more than 7 billion, Americas more than 8 billion, Middle East and Africa more than 4 billion, and the Asia Pacific market with an addressable market of more than $8 billion. Their total pipeline is more than 5 billion over the next 3 years, including parts and services. That is obviously a monumental figure and will truly help this stock grow. And we're going to get into a bit later on why I think they actually will hit that number, because they're already doing so, but we'll get into that in a bit. Let's just continue with this investor presentation. Here are some of their key technologies, products and services across their brands. We have steam generation technologies, natural gas-fired packaged boilers, combustion grates, construction, emission control systems, cooling systems, ash and material handling, operations and maintenance, field service, inspections, parts, retrofits and upgrades, and construction. So they are well diversified. They have a lot of patents and technologies, and they are an industry leader that has been around for a really long time. Now we understand a bit about the company, let's speak about why the stock has gone up so much. And the answer is easy. It's contracts. Big contracts are the perfect catalyst for any company. And B&W seem to be getting huge contracts all the time. In fact, this year alone, in 2021, they have been awarded $99 million worth of contracts. Their most recent and largest being $20 million contract for the North American power plant. There is no reason that these contracts will stop coming, and as they do, these contracts will continue to be a massive catalyst for the stock. Okay, now let's get into the serious stuff and probably the reason why you're watching this video. Can this stock make money? Well, analysts seem to think so. Analysts covering BW stock give it an average price target of $11.33 a share, with the highest being $12 and the lowest being $10. With what I see this company doing, with all the contracts that they've been getting, with Biden in office and just the way the world's going, the catalyst towards green energy, reusable energy, I truly think this stock can provide a fantastic return for investors. That is going to wrap up this video for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're still watching right now, I'd really appreciate it if you could just hit the like button and subscribe and turn on notifications if you haven't done so already. We are going to continue covering fantastic companies on this channel. So subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you have a great rest of the day and see you tomorrow for our next video. Have a good one.